Rico and left you. I know. No, she's in Puerto Rico. She's going on a cruise ship. Did you look in the bedroom? Let's go look in the bedroom. Come on. Oh, her poinsettia's dying. Come on. Is she in the bedroom? Well, go look. No, she's not here. No, she's not here. She's in Puerto Rico. She left you. I know.